Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah, amma ba'd. My dearly respected brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. There are two great prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by the name of the messenger Isa alayhi salam and the messenger Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And both messengers were given a command by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Prophet Isa alayhi salam mentions, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَأَوْصَانِي بِالصَّلَاةِ وَالزَّكَاةِ مَا دُمْتُ حَيًّا. And he advised me, meaning Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, advised me to perform the prayer and establish the zakat as long as I am living. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also was commanded in the Quran by Allah Azza wa Jal, where he said, وَاعْبُدْ رَبَّكَ حَتَّى يَأْتِيَكَ الْيَقِينَ. And worship your Lord, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, until certainty reaches you. And certainty here is defined as death. So both prophets and messengers in both of these verses were commanded to worship Allah Azza wa Jal as long as they are living up until they die. And this, my brothers and sisters, is one of the greatest lessons for us as Muslims, as believers, that we are commanded to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as long as we are living. And this is the definition of istiqamah. To be steadfast in your religion is that you continue pursuing in pleasing Allah Azza wa Jal until you meet Him. And that is why some of the pious predecessors, may Allah Azza wa Jal have mercy on them, have stated that the worship of Allah has no expiry date except death. Barakallahu feekum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.